The Sidekick pedestal washer is designed to be used with high-efficiency detergent only. High-efficiency detergents produce fewer suds, dissolve more efficiently to improve washing and rinsing performance, and help keep the interior of your washer clean. Always look for the HE symbol when purchasing detergent for your twin wash system. Important note: not all detergents are the same. Pay careful attention to the amount of detergent used to avoid oversudsing, poor rinsing, and detergent buildup in the washer and your clothes. Always measure the detergent amount by using the measuring device provided with your Sidekick pedestal washer for proper detergent usage. For most normal loads, no more than 1 teaspoon or 5 ml of liquid detergent or 5 grams of powder detergent, as the measuring device indicator shows, of HE detergent should be used. The maximum measure line on the dispenser provided should only be used for very large loads. Using too much detergent, or when using 2 times or 3 times concentrated detergents, can contribute to the problems mentioned before. To use the detergent with your Sidekick pedestal washer, select your wash cycle. Measure the detergent with the detergent dispenser and pour it into the tub atop of your load. Close the lid, slide the drawer closed, and press the start/pause button to start the cycle. The pedestal washer chimes repeatedly before the final rinse, so liquid fabric softener can be added to the load if desired. Use 1/4 the amount of fabric softener recommended by the manufacturer when washing a normal load, and fill the cup with water to dilute the liquid fabric softener. Press the start/pause button to pause the wash cycle. Wait for the Sidekick pedestal washer to unlock. Slide the drawer open the lid, and add the liquid fabric softener into the tub. Close the lid, resume the cycle by pressing the start/pause button, and slide the drawer closed. Do not pour undiluted softener directly onto clothing because it may stain fabrics. If you forget to add the fabric softener when opted by the chime alert, press the power button to interrupt the cycle. Press the power button once more. Select the rinse plus spin cycle and press the start button to start the cycle. Wait to hear for the chime alert, then follow the instructions as stated before. Caution: do not use liquid chlorine bleach or powdered bleach in the Sidekick pedestal washer. Use bleach with the full-size washer only, and follow the instructions in the owner's manual for that machine. To disable or enable the fabric softener repeated chime alerts, turn on the unit. Press and hold the warm water and extra rinse buttons at the same time for 3 seconds prior to washing your load. The chime alert indicator sound will notify you if it is on or off.